Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify cultural understanding with Tandem, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Tandem app on your device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to your profile by selecting the icon in the bottom right corner. Locate the Cultural Understanding section within your profile settings. Click on that section to open the verification options. Select the language you wish to verify cultural understanding for. Take a moment to review the cultural norms associated with that language. Choose specific topics or scenarios that interest you. Use the search function to find language partners who share your interests. Send a message to potential partners to initiate a conversation. Engage in discussions about the selected cultural topics. Ask open-ended questions to deepen your understanding. Share your own experiences related to the culture. Pay attention to your partner's responses for insights. Take notes on new cultural information you gather. Once your conversations have concluded, reflect on what you've learned. Consider how this knowledge affects your perspective on the language. If you feel confident in your understanding, use the app's verification feature. Submit your reflections and experiences for review. Wait for confirmation of your cultural understanding from the Tandem community. Once verified, feel proud of your accomplishment and continue learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.